You got two new SureComfort units. They're both off right now. This one replaced the 2009 Carrier, and this one replaced the 2007 Bryant. You still got the 2011 unit here running. You got this the 3-ton unit here. These were just put in, I believe. This one's a 2024. And this one right here. This one's a 2025. These do use R454B in them. Shiny compressor. But yeah, I don't think they wanted to upgrade since they kept the 2011 unit here. I think both the Bryant and the 09 Carrier just broke down at the same time, and they were both replaced. There's that. Just 4-ton unit running.